How many memes were born from that R. Kelly and Gayle King interview? So many memes are about to be born. So many memes. Thank you, R. Kelly. See you in jail, mister. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I was super excited to see in the mail. I saw this got delivered today at 9:50 this morning and I was super nervous because A, it's super heavy. It's probably because everything in here is frozen. So it sat outside today in 23-degree weather. That's like negative 13 or 14 degrees Celsius if you are the rest of the world. So also I am coughing so bad because my dog ran away earlier and oh my god, I was running after him in the freezing and now my lungs are burning. I got my March Boxyluxe. I am super pumped to dive into it. Now let's just do it. I need to cut this with like a protractor. I have a spoon from some Jello. That actually works. Who knew spoons can cut through boxing? Let's open it. Oh, everything is like stuck to it. La vie est rose. All right, so la vie est rose seems to be the little theme. It's a shame that this got bent up because it's super cute. I like the little macaroons on it. I'm like just staring at this. Okay. Okay. First and foremost, I'm seeing a makeup bag. When I signed up for Boxyluxe, a makeup bag is not exactly what I had in mind. Let's take a sneaky peeky at it. I mean, the iridescent is really pretty in it. It's almost like an iridescent, you can see. Very pretty, very cool. But you know what I need? Like a hole in the head? Fucking makeup bag. In our last Boxyluxe, we got that stupid Glam AF bag. A little collapsible train case bag, so I feel like this would fit. Oh god, I remember when I had a bag this size that fit all of my makeup in it. Simpler times, folks, simpler times. Oh, it says BoxyCharm in it. Branding at its finest. You're welcome for the free advertising if I ever take this anywhere, Boxy. But it's a decent sized makeup bag, but like I said, not exactly what I'm looking for. Do I sound super ungrateful? Yes, because I am. And apparently that is $20. Next we have the iconic London eyebrow cushion. To be honest, I could use anything on my eyebrows because I have the worst eyebrows in the history of freaking eyebrows, okay? If it's in a box, does it also have to come in a foil? Waste at its finest. The iconic London eyebrow sculpt eyebrow cushion. So I guess this is like a foundation cushion. So it comes with two little tools in there, and then we're gonna take a look and see. Oh, not only have they covered it, they then covered it again with, again, branding. Seems a little dark. Seems that's the color there. I mean, is there a greenish tinge to this? You tell me. It doesn't look as much in camera, but it looks like there's a greenish. Ooh, there's a lot of product when you press down in there. So these are the colors. They're both very, I will say, not really blonde friendly. I mean, there's one that's pretty brown, but. So there is a lot of product in this and I can tell it's gonna be dangerous. I already have it all over the product. I need something clean. I'm gonna be walking around with green eyebrows for the rest of the month. Clean up the product already. Brow cushion's 40 bucks, so hot damn. I have a pair of Lily lashes and I will say these are stunning. I really like the way these look. They're like those perfectly flared demi-wispies, but they're not really wispy, they're more fluttery. This is, oh, they look like Mink lashes. They're the limited edition faux Mink lashes. And I'm going to say these are $24.99. Random price, but I never really understood why lashes were so expensive, but I will try this pair and see if they are worth the pricey price tag. This is what is making the box so heavy. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I love this product. It's a great face moisturizer for the average person. I know it's for all skin types. It's a transforming moisturizing super cream. To me, the box is almost already worth it just at this point, because I believe this is a $42 product. This is $48, so this is almost the price of your Boxyluxe right there. First of all, it's freezing, probably like froze. It smells good. I really like this. It feels good. And it just took me back to something nostalgic. Something good happened in my life when I used to use this as a moisturizer, I can tell. I like how it comes in like the solid glass bottle. I love this product, so automatically worth it for me right there. Next we have the Wanda Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Now this is a huge size. My cap was like almost off. This is a $34 mask, so that is a decently expensive product. I'm not a big, oh, it's very like pretty and pink. Look how pretty that looks. Looks like a highlighter almost. Like, it's so pretty. I guess it'll look funny on your face, but it's very shiny, almost highlighty. I'm not a huge masker. Like, I guess everyone's always like, self-care, put on a mask. To me, this is work. Maybe I'm just really bad at self-care, but I don't really have all the time in the world to do a mask, and a purifying and brightening peel off mask. I will try it. I should, because my skin has been super dull lately, so this could be super helpful for me, but like I said, I'm not a big masker. Next we have the Moda Powder and Soft Glow. I'm assuming these are brushes. It says, excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof metallic handle, sturdy aluminum ferrule secures bristles, professional quality fibers. $29.99. They're apparently elegant, according to the description. I love getting brushes, you guys know this, but oh, they're soft. This is very soft, super synthetic feeling. The bristles, the handle feels nice. It's nothing like out of this world extraordinary, but they are very soft. Well, that one is. I guess this is like a powder, and then this is like a highlighter. I'm not like super big into like the super frilly, frispy highlighter brushes. I just feel like when I'm going, I mean, this one's different. This one's very soft, and it's not as sparsely packed as the other one I have. It's got a little more weight to it, but it's got that super floopy acid to it, so it just gives you like that very diffused glow. I'm not like super mist diffused. I kind of want like my highlight to glow to the gods, but I will definitely try it. Next is Deborah Lippmann. I have wanted to try Deborah Lippmann nail polishes for a while. These are $20, and these colors are stunning. First of all, am I one to talk? No, I'm working on it. Like I've said, working on my anxiety, but these are two little Deborah Lippmann. This is in Modern Love. Look at how beautiful that color is. When it comes to nail polish, I love colors like this, almost like a muted mauve nude. Even more fun is this color in Odana, which is this like taupey brown with gold shimmer in it. It looks way more, I almost want to say purple on camera. In real life, it's very brown with gold shimmer. That is super cool. I have always wanted to try these. Like, I remember back in the day when like going on like Temptalia's blog, or what was she? Oh my gosh, I used to follow this beauty blog, and like they would always get the like confetti Deborah Lippmann polishes. And it was like, ooh, but I couldn't really fathom spending that much money on a nail polish. So I'm super excited to have two little Deborah Lippmann polishes in my collection. Although it's going to have to spur me to clean up my act when it comes to biting my nails and not painting them. I'm really excited about that, which is funny because I don't really wear that much nail polish, but I feel like my nostalgia teen makeup self is like, you Megan, own a Deborah Lippmann nail polish. Looking back, like I could totally afford a Deborah Lippmann nail polish now. I mean, I make more money than I did as a teenager, but I don't make as much as I want to, obviously. But I've never been like, I'm gonna buy a Deborah Lippmann nail polish. I don't know. Next we have a Becca lipstick, and it looks like it's in the shade Tulip. Guys, this better be the most amazing shade of lipstick for how much I have gotten fucked over by my lipsticks in the past through Boxy. This packaging feels A+. Very sleek, it feels heavy, like that. Tulip, okay, this is pretty. I'm not like a huge nude person. Smells delicious, but This is like, why is this is showing up on camera way more orange, but this is actually a beautiful nude. That's what it looks like. It looks so much pinker on camera, but it's a pretty pink peachy nude. You know what? Because I have goddamn Vivid on. I suck. Not gonna complain because the lipstick I got 2 BoxyCharms ago was the ugliest lipstick I've ever seen in my entire life. So this is a massive improvement. Oh, that Becca lipstick in the shade Tulip was 24 bucks. Next we have a Cover FX product. Super pumped about that, and I can't tell if I love or if I hate the feeling of this because it's a very matte, gritty feeling, so it doesn't have that like rubbery feel. Can't tell if I love it or I hate it. This is pretty. Okay, this is really pretty. I'm just gonna stare at this a little while longer because it's that beautiful. The reason I'm looking at this with so much beauty is because honestly, I can already tell every shade in here is super complementary to my skin tone, which is really awesome. It looks like this. The highlighters, this highlighter looks a little dark on camera, but it's actually not that dark. This is actually a little more nude peach than it's coming out. And this is a finishing powder, so I'm guessing this, oh, it feels really smooth and soft. I'm guessing this would be a nice, you can tell there's like little micro glitters in it, but I think it's kind of like the Hourglass ambient lighting powders where you set your under eye with it. This brightener looks absolutely stunning. It's next to the lipstick. Can't really tell. I kind of want to dig my finger into one of these highlights, but this contour shade for me looks absolutely beautiful. And I don't know if you can tell, but I like the little like wave patterns in there. They're really cool. Not really swatching as like blinding as they look in the pan, but they seem like super pretty. Actually, they seem like up my sleeve. You know what? This seems like very beautifully bridal to me. Definitely bridal. You can't tell I'm very excited about this product. This looks like a winner chicken dinner, and this is $45. This alone, I am excited about. This is, I'm vibing it. I'm just vibing it because everything in here just looks so beautiful and glowy and complementary to my skin tone and bridal. And since I am a bridal makeup artist, that is something that would really work out for me. So I'm not gonna get ahead of myself because I haven't tried it, but I can feel it that I'm going to really like it. And last but not least, we have Day Slayer, the shade 15D Day Slayer by Morphe. I know Morphe gets a lot of hate, but I kind of enjoy the brand, you know? I actually just bought the bronze palette by them because it just looked cool and it was $25 and it's a more affordable brand. So this seems like a Morphe palette, and I mean, to be honest, it kind of looks exactly like the palette I just bought. I suck, but it's very orange. I mean, it's pretty, but I don't like have like a super huge use for shades like this in my collection right now. That's why they have a shade called In the Crease. Why? So I just got the 35G Bronze Golds palette by Morphe. Something about it really kind of spoke to me on another level. I don't know why. I kind of run out and got it as soon as it hit the stores. I just wanted to test it. So this looks like it could be like an extension or almost similar palette. It's just hard to tell because one's black and one's gold, but more Morphe shadows to add to my collection. But like I said, this is like a very warm toned orangey palette. I saw that a lot of people were super unhappy about getting this, but in terms of like an eyeshadow palette, I really don't need another eyeshadow palette, so I'm not heartbroken about it. It's a pretty palette, but Morphe also has that way of like having super similar shades and having a super similar tone go on, but everything else in my BoxyCharm was pretty awesome. Like, this is a Morphe palette. I like it. The shades are nice. I'll try the Wanda mask. I'm not like super hype on this. Definitely really like the lipstick. I think it's really pretty. The Lily lashes, gorgeous, fluttery, awesome. I'm a little iffy to this. I have to try it. It just seems a little olive toned for my eyebrows and dark. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. Winner, winner, chicken dinner all around. 2 Deborah Lippmann nail polishes have made my wildest teenage dreams come true. So that's always a fun thing. Because now I literally had an orgasm over opening this Cover FX palette. I won't open again, so I don't have to have another orgasm. These 2 Moda brushes, pretty. I will test them out. Probably the thing I'm least excited for is the makeup bag. But all in all, this is a pretty banging Boxyluxe. I'm pretty excited. Boxy Charms ago, I was super disappointed. Last one I really loved. Everything in here is super awesome. Super ready to try it. Super excited. Super everything. Guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you had a fun time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a fantastic evening. Bye!